Alright, today I'll be explaining how to do flooring around pickets, and that time when you need to remove the pickets without damaging them. Use an osculating tool or a multi-tool. There's many ways people call them. But what you want to do is cut underneath. These I already have done, but you cut underneath, and then you can, after you get that cut out, you can move it to the side and slowly wiggle it out. That way it's perfect. You don't damage this, you don't damage anything. And then what you want to do is get some of these little rods, wooden rods. Doesn't matter what size, it's just your preference. And then the size that you get, you want to get a drill bit to that same size. And then you drill out in the same spot where the old rod was in. So you get that drilled out. Get it clean. And then here, you find the middle. I find it easiest to approximately find the middle, and then you do it on all four sides, and then you get your dead center. After you get that, you align your drill bit to that center. Drill it out. And then, so when I run my flooring, it's gonna go on top. Here, I'll grab a board to show you a little more precise for visual. So it's gonna go on top, and you're gonna wanna be able to have that rod sticking out and to be able to slide this over the wood. In that case, what I'll do is I'll take my osculating tool, and over here you can also see, so where the white paint is, that's where it was under the rail. So I'll cut about almost more than half of it off. Like so. And then I will measure or put the rod in to my picket all the way. That way I can see how much I need to leave for it to work properly. Now that I have that, I will place my rod in, and then when my rail will go in, which will be like so, it will be perfect. And when my flooring will be in there, it will be perfect. And as you see on top, it's perfect and clean. And of course, don't forget to put some glue on this end. And then on this rod, you put glue in there, stick this in, put glue into the hole that you drilled out on the bottom of your picket. That way everything will be nicely and secure. That's it.